Let's learn about farm animals. Farm animals. Today we are going to go to the farm. So everyone, can you guess what animals are there on the farm? Alright, we can see a cow, two cows, a horse, nine horses, a goat, five goats, a chicken, six chickens, a duck, four ducks, a pig, seven pigs, a cow. There is a cow on the farm. A cow. There is a cow on the farm. Two cows. There are two cows on the farm. Two cows. There are two cows on the farm. A goat. There is a goat on the farm. A goat. There is a goat on the farm. Five goats. There are five goats on the farm. Five goats. There are five goats on the farm. A horse. There is a horse on the farm. A horse. There is a horse on the farm. Nine horses. There are nine horses on the farm. Nine horses. There are nine horses on the farm. A chicken. There is a chicken on the farm. A chicken. There is a chicken on the farm. Six chickens. There are six chickens on the farm. Six chickens. There are six chickens on the farm. A duck. There is a duck on the farm. A duck. There is a duck on the farm. Four ducks. There are four ducks on the farm. Four ducks. There are four ducks on the farm. A pig. There is a pig on the farm. A pig. There is a pig on the farm. Seven pigs. There are seven pigs on the farm. Seven pigs. There are seven pigs on the farm. class you have learned today is about farm animals using their ears and their arms. Please review the lesson by yourself again. Goodbye.